we had a long hearing on FAO 62 of 25. In
Well, I
that,
don't remember the case number, but yes, anyway.
that interim order extension was left out, Malad. I've informed the other side. He said, I have no objection in that. I've got a copy, Malad.
All right. I think this was subsequently corrected, but by that time already it was uploaded. So we'll check up.
Malad.
Already was on record.
So much grateful, Malad.
Item 56, my lord, in order of matter, my lord. The respondent number 2 steps has not been taken. Lordship, I'll take my steps today itself, my lord.
Item
56, my lord.
56.
56, lordship.
All
I'll
right,
take
item
steps today
56.
itself. Lordship,
Right.
focus on 6, my lord.
Council prays for further time to take steps. Hence list the matter again on.
Problem.
It you fix, sir.
6 of
I beg to mention item number 20, Your Honor.
20. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. The matter. This matter may be come up next week. 20, huh? 20.
All right, item 20, list again on. Date.
on 8 May.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 49, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this case, notice has been served upon the victim of the father, Your Lordship, and it has been delivered on 1/4/2026. And so far, the scanned copy of TCR is concerned, it has not been received yet.
Item
49.
40,
49, Your Lordship.
scan copy of TCR not yet received, issued a reminder. List
Okay,
again on.
past week, Your Lordship. 7th. 7/5.
Yes.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 46, Your Lordship. This is a hearing matter, Your Lordship. Today I am not yet prepared the matter and already the person is in bail. There's not much of an urgency. Let it be after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
But it has come in the orders column. You say it's hearing matter.
This is a hearing matter, Your Lordship. Already bail have been granted by.
All right.
Anyway, let it be after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. in hearing.
List the matter. 46 after 2 weeks.
19 May.
Ob-
Yes.
Obliged.
I beg to mention item number 18. So in this case, steps has been taken, but this is a POCSO matter. PCR was called for, but that has not been received yet.
18 TCR not received. Issue reminder. List again on.
Can it be on 6th, Milord?
May I please?
I have another matter, Milord. Item 19. In this case, TCR has been received, but I have some percent difficulty today.
19.
Fine.
Yeah, 19 on prayer of planet. List matter again on.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 33, Lordship.
Yes.
In this case, CD was all for Lordship, it's perhaps CD not received, Lordship.
It did not receive. List again on.
Petitioner are interim, Lordship.
Right.
We have filed, Lordship, here.
Continue to the next. Charge sheet file. Stated that charge sheet has been submitted by CS number.
081/2026.
What
Yes.
case is this?
This is
So-
pertaining to Lordship 305A, 329 of BMS. Lordship.
So what TCR?
Lordship, this petitioner are interim, Lordship, that may be extended within 15 days or after.
Then let
receipt
the
of-
matter come up, then only we can see.
Much obliged.
Hold it up. Ultimate. Please, adjournment DNA.
The Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 31, Lordship. Item 31, Lordship. I may be allowed to withdraw, Lordship. Liberty, Lordship.
You are Mr. On the prayer of MDS Alum, learned counsel for the petitioner, petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Yes,
Yes, please, Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 44, Lordship. Some time may be granted so that we can take steps, Lordship.
as prayed for by learned counsel for the petitioner, further 2 weeks time is granted to take steps. List again on after 2 weeks.
18 May.
I'd like to.
Lordships, item number 29 and 30, Lordship, same affair, Lordship. Pass out for day, Lordship, the list of the next interim is there on behalf of the SM Abdullah, Lordship. He is out of station, Lordship.
CD available.
He is out of station at
29:30 CD is available on the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner. List again on next week. With it next week. CD be retained.
interim.
Next week did you? CD is no?
8 May.
Interim shall continue.
Interim order passed earlier to continue.
May I please your
Develop.
lordship? May I please your lordship? I beg to mention listing for the anticipatory bill for tomorrow. It's a matter of.
To mention before senior bench.
This.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 41 with the liberty to withdraw, your lordship.
41, you are Mr.
J. Kumar on behalf of P. Gupta.
Mr. Learned Counsel, Mr. J. Bora on behalf of Mr. MSP Gupta. Praise for leave to withdraw the matter. Accordingly, matter is dismissed on withdrawal.
Oblige, your lordship.
May it please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 27. So the CD is not available today.
CD?
Item 27. We are
27, CD not
we are on
received.
interim
List again on.
protection. Interim or continue.
Interim is there.
Interim protection.
Interim order passed earlier to continue.
May.
You want?
May.
Tarak, you want?
Deep process.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 minutes, please. Maybe 2 of these better maybe come up on Wednesday.
Item?
22, Lordship,
29 তারিখ থেকে দেওয়া পাইবে।
29th of April.
একটু more.
What about petitioner?
I am the petitioner, Lordship.
30, Lordship, on 30th of April.
Item number 22. Prayer of learned additional PP. With the consent of the other side, list the matter on 30.
Yes, sir.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention for item number 11 of today's daily list. So the engaged leading counsel is out of station, so week's time may be given, lordship.
11.
11, lordship.
Item 11 on prayer of counsel for the
7 May.
list again on.
Any date after 10th, 7th, 10th of May, any date after that.
12.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordships. My lord, in this case, my lord,
Which
I have
case?
filed one IA, my lord,
Which
because
case?
that case has been already been, your lordship has granted bail, my lord, on 8th. But your lordship passed an order to appear before the IO within a period of 14 days, but 14 days has lapsed, so I would like to file one IA to extend the order, because lordship has already been passed interim order.
File.
I'll file today, so let the matter be listed on Wednesday.
All right.
Highly obliged.
I do it. I read it.
Number 1.
May please, your lordship. Yeah, DPS case, case diary may be called for.
All right, CD.
8th of May, may be possible. Deep case.
Number 2.
Kindly pass over this matter for time. Password for this matter.
This is NDPS, is it not? Commercial, I think.
22C, commercial quantity. Lordship.
What is there to pass over?
Leading counsel is coming.
CD call. List on again on.
Item number 3.
May it please your lordship, my lord, it's a PRS bill application. I'm not named in the FIR. Main accused are arrested. Though it is under NCB, I have been called under section 67. My lord, that is at page 8. To give information, page 8. My lord. Both the petitioners, both are called under section 67. Main accused are arrested. I want to appear, my lord, I will give my whatever information I have. Because the moment I read, my lord, NC, narcotic,
Where is the FIR?
FIR is not there, my lord, but the forwarding report is there, my lord. Forwarding report is at page 10. 13. 13 is the, my lord, pair for production.
Sir. 13 में आए ना हम लोग का.
It will.
That is 13 में आए ना हम.
ये तो कॉपी का कॉपी नहीं है तो ये तो पूरा सब वो तो दे कितना
No, it is to 10 আছে তো. এটা 10 আছে তো. এটা 10 আছে তো.
कितना
এখন 10 আছে. 10 আছে.
Yes, NCB.
Worship, it is only for the purpose of gathering some information. He may not be named in the FIR, but that does not mean that he can be ruled out for any investigation.
Do you have anything with you now, right now?
Right now,
It may be possible that the arrested persons may have implicated him. So at least we need to have the
yes,
instruction. What is the matter? We can't straight away grant you protection. When?
we cannot take it.
Had Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, Mr. R.K. Dev Chaudhary, senior counsel appears for NCB.
Worship, let it be on 8th, Worship.
1 hour. 1 hour. Up to 10.
Seek
10
time to
After
obtain
after
instructions.
10.
Be on 15.
11th.
No,
11th.
11th, I will be out.
Is the matter again on so and so on which date?
15th, Worship.
Necessary
Can
instruction.
I pay for some interim,
Produce.
my lord?
Not yet.
Item number 4. Item number 4.
May I please your lordship? With the specific instruction from the client, I'd like to withdraw the matter, my lord. It was transit bail, my lordship, they have managed to the
On
concern.
the prayer of Mr. You are,
Aramin, my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner matter is dismissed as withdrawn.
Take your blessing.
Item number 5.
May it please your lordship. Anticipatory bail application. Last find the FIR at page 18.
1/8.
My lord,
18.
page 18, my lord. May I read the FIR?
Sir, with due respect, I have the honor to report that on 15/4/2026 at around 12:30 AM, reliable information was received regarding the illegal transportation of cattle from so-and-so place towards Amguri side. Acting upon said information and as per the direction of the Circle Inspector Panbari, I, along with the police staff, proceeded towards Amgari side at Puri side and conducted a search operation in Kolaigaon area. During the raid at around 4:30 PM on so-and-so date, a total number of 6 cattle were found. Your Lordship will note this, tied inside a shed. The cattle were accordingly detained from the said location. At the time of the operation, no persons were found present at the place of occurrence. However, on local inquiry, it was revealed that the said premises is under the control of one Shahid Ali. So Shahid Ali has been arrested, my lord. Further inquiry revealed that the cattle were allegedly brought and kept there by the following persons. So one of the petitioners are from 5 petitioners are there, my lord. Accused number 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, my lord. Now, it appears that the accused persons intended to transport the cattle to another district with the intention of slaughtering them in violation of the provisions of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act. It is further suspected that the cattle were stolen from villages along the Indo-Bhutan area and subsequently transported clandestinely. The above mentioned accused person appear to have engaged in criminal conspiracies in furtherance of their common intention to transport the cattle without valid permits and documents. The recovered cattle have been brought to Amgari police station for safe custody, seizure, and completion of necessary legal formalities. So the cattle were found tied inside a shed, my lord. There's no allegation of the cattle being caught while transportation. Cattle have not been slaughtered. Now, finding cattle inside a shed, my lord. Now they have said that they suspect that it could have been illegally transported. It could have been stolen from Indo-Bhutan area. It could have been slaughtered, my lord. The entire affair is speculative, my lord. Lordship will grant us interim protection, my lord, will appear and cooperate with the investigator. And these petitioners are also not the owner of the shed, my lord. That is one Shahid Ali who has been arrested, my lord.
He's arrested.
Shahid Ali has been arrested, my lord. His forwarding report is at page 19, my lord.
Yes, PP.
So it was found 6 cattle tied inside a shed, Lordship. The subsequent inquiry report revealed that this person also entangled in the same crime. So this case I'm paying for case arrival.
Third learned counsel for the petition and learned additional PP. This is an application under so and so. It appears from the FIR that 6 numbers of cattle were recovered from a shed situated at village Koliagaon under Amguri PS. And inquiry revealed that the same belonged to one Shahid Ali, who has already been arrested. It further appears that the present petitioners have been named in the FIR. On the basis of suspicion. Or on the basis of information collected during investigation, call for the CD para having regard to the nature of the allegations. Para it is provided that in the event of their arrest, the petitioners shall be released on interim bail of rupees 50,000 each with 1 surety each per like amount. to the satisfaction of the arresting authority in connection with the aforesaid case. Where it is further provided that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within a period of 10 days from today for the purpose of interrogation. Please the matter again on.
Of my lordship. I'm deeply obliged.
Zero six.
Yes,
For it to application, my lord. In this case, matter, out of the same incident matter, two FIRs has been lost now. One is annexure A and another is annexure B, my lord. In connection with the FIR, my lord, annexure
Page.
B, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, he has been arrested along with others, my lord. Subsequently, he has been released on bail, my lord. That is line of code below, my lord. After his release, my lord, the police is after him in respect of the another FIR, my lord. Out of the same incident, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is at, my lord, 10, my lord, yes, 10.
What is the order of bail?
Case 21. Similarly, situated persons, co-accused persons, they have been released from bail by the survivor court. Case 20.
Who are you?
I am one of the,
Abdul Halim.
yes, my lord. Accused number 3. Accused number 3.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, so it is supposed to be. So,
Dr. Translate.
Voices. Assessment.
Yes, PP.
Otherwise, it seems that they have formed an unlawful assembly in the spot, and thereby lordship, they have tried to
No,
apply the police
the,
personnel.
that we understand. It is the same incident, admittedly. And co-accused have been granted interim bail in.
Not be on the same footing. What is the role of the petitioners that city will only reveal?
Now, has this been finally disposed of?
Yes, madam, on 33.
No, AB 464?
Yes, madam, that has been disposed of, not on 30, by order dated 33, madam. 30th of March.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner and also heard potential learned additional PP. This is an application under so and so. The gist of the accusation in this case is that on 9/2/26 at around 8:30 AM, it came to the notice of the toll gate manager that one truck was illegally parked adjacent to the toll gate. And which was causing obstruction of vehicular traffic. And when the toll plaza staff asked the for the removal of the truck, a crowd gathered and attacked the police personnel, including the SDPO Gosaigaon and OC Gosaigaon PS, and also made communal statements which were led by the FIR named accused persons, namely Rafiqul Islam, Haider Ali, and Abdul Halim. Para call for the CD. Having regard to the fact that co-accused Rafiqul Islam and Haider Ali were granted the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail by order dated 09/03/26 in AB 464 of 26 by the High Court. It is provided that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within a period of 10 days from today and cooperate with the investigation. Full stop. It is further provided that in the event of their arrest in connection with the aforesaid case, they shall be released on interim bail of rupees 30,000 each with one security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Full stop. It is further provided that the petitioners shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any persons. Page 22 last paragraph. List again on so and so.
Obliged.
Item number 7,
May I please your lordship? Lordship, in this case, lordship, POCSO sections are there, lordship. Notice may be issued. It is from this food. May I pray for a short date, lordship?
All right. CD, notice to respondent number 2.
8.
Eight.
Okay. Highly appreciated.
Item number 8.
May I please, lordship, matter related to my lord child marriage, my lord. But FIR is space, my lord, 8, my lord.
It is POCSO.
My lord.
All right, same order.
My lord, petition number 2 and 3, name mentioned is not FIR, my lord.
Even then,
My lord.
8-5. Admission item 9.
Petition against, my lord, it's a quashing petition. And I want to, so already, my lord, the record of the, my lord, case, my lord, scan copy has been called for. And also, in behalf of the complainant, someone is estimated. And I filed one additional affidavit. By this time, my lord, the victim also filed one affidavit, my lord, swearing. And that I have annexed, my lord.
and next.
I have annexed, my lord, that affidavit. And today, probably, my lord, one amicus curiae was appointed on behalf of the victim, my lord. Name was and Mahajan, name was reflected. So actually, I pay for, my lord, final disposal, my lord. The lordship record is available, then, my lord, I'm ready. Or you may.
Lordship may fix the matter some other day because absent respondent number 2 is absent, lordship. Was appearing. And Mahajan's name is reflected in the post list, but it is not there. It's not appearing.
Because it is, my lord, actually covered by the judgment of the apex court. Regarding, my lord, consensual sex, my lord, they have a love affair, they refuse to marry it, and that is the only ground. After that, my lord, FIR was been lost.
The additional affidavit, by way of that, you have annexed what?
I have annexed one, my lord, affidavit shown by the victim. She has already made to another man, my person, my lord. So he says that, my lord, I have no objection if this matter has been compromised, my lord.
Mr. Mahajan is not available, any, huh? Phone number will have contact police action, let it come if it is available. Why keep it pending? It ain't like, but that's how Beleka is married. It will take after some time if it's
My lord.
available. Let
My
it
lord.
come.
May it please your lordship. By this application, your lordship, we have come, the FIR was, we are challenging the FIR, your lordship, basically with regard to grabbing of rice meant for PMGKY scheme. This is a petitioner is an owner of a fair price shop. Now, your lordship, one thing I would like to point out, in this case, your lordship, her license was also suspended. We filed a writ petition and this writ petition was subsequently allowed recently, your lordship. And that order, your lordship, would also have some consequences here. I'd like to place that also, your lordship, not today, some other day.
All right, heard Mr. Vice Manan Learned Counsel for the petitioner and
To your lordship.
Mr. So-and-so for respondent number 3 also had learned additional PP. It is submitted that a writ petition
The WPC 2873/2024.
was disposed of on
It was, your lordship, on 24/2/2026.
and the order passed in the said case would have some relevance for the decision of the present case. Hence, list the matter again on so-and-so, so that the said order may be placed on record.
May I submit, your lordship? Just 2 minutes, I request just 2 minutes.
Yes.
Or your lordship, whatever my learned senior friend has stated, in connection with this case, one FIR has been lodged and they have filed for quashing of the said FIR. However, your lordship,
in the state case, police has submitted charge sheet. And that case has been instituted, JMFC, Baksa has taken cognizance
We'll
of. the same.
consider all of that,
Yes.
but what is the difficulty in
This has
having a
been
look
your
at that
lordship,
order?
because on the same ground,
Whatever has done in there and regarding in the state FIR is concerned, your lordship, that the state LCR also be called for, your lordship.
that can
For
be
the-
done, that can be done.
Also call for the LCR in
JMFC,
case number.
PRC 623, public 2025.
Pending in the court of the
JMFC, Baksa, your lordship.
scan copy.
KTR delay date to,
11-5.
huh?
11-5.
Obliged.
Also, please, lordship.
Item number 12.
This criminal petition is filed challenging the order dated 26/2025, lordship, whereby the Jimma prayer of the petitioner was rejected, lordship. FIR, lordship, will find page 9. One bike was seized in connection with this case, lordship. And bike was seized on, lordship, 6/3/2025. And till date, lordship, that vehicle is kept in the police station, lordship, in open conditions.
Lordship, a report was called for to that effect. So we have received that report and those seized articles is no more required for further investigation.
Pardon?
Those seized articles is not required for further investigation. That report is not.
You heard Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner and learned additional PP. The report as called for has been received and it is stated by the IO that the seized articles are no longer required for further investigation. We have to set aside the order of rejection. In view of the above. Now, is it necessary to set it aside? You can file a first application in the light of this. We'll make that observation.
That will, lordship.
Because setting aside means it is illegal. It may not have been illegal at that time of the passing of the order. Now the IO says it is no longer required.
In that case, lordship may direct the IO.
Yes. Hence, the instant petition, revision petition is this is criminal petition.
Criminal
Is
petition.
disposed of with the direction to the IO to release the seized articles as mentioned in the seizure list.
No, that Pulsar bike, lordship. Pulsar bike bearing registration number AS01.
Only that.
Only that.
Release the articles birthday upon articles cut it the Pulsar bike bearing registration number AS01 ZA 5394 along with the keys KEY as keys to the custody of the petitioner upon such terms and conditions as may be deemed necessary. It is further provided that the petitioner shall not make changes to the get up of the bike and shall not dispose of the same without the permission of the learned court below and shall produce the same if so directed before the court.
That report.
Report of the IO dated 24/4/24 be kept on record.
The place diary that may be sent back out.
CD be sent back. Petition stands disposed of accordingly.
Obliged, lordship.
Bid having BA. Item number 13-14.
May I pray to take 14 first, Madam. Revision. 14 first. Because as per the judgment of our own High Court, Madam, unless I challenge this extension period, I cannot pray for bail. So,
Point out one thing. In the criminal petition, the state of Assam has been made a part, not the NCB. Therefore, on the earlier occasion, I pointed it out, and my friend was supposed to file the amended cause title.
yes,
He has filed the IA. I don't think that is on.
we have filed, as per your lordship order, we have filed IA, my lord, for the amendment of the cause title.
I do not think that is on record, lordship.
Indeed.
Yes, I see.
It is our learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel, senior counsel representing what NCB?
Yes.
Unit NCB.
It
It is submitted that an IA has been filed for impleading the proper party. But the same is not on record. Registry is directed to place the same on record. List again on fourth.
Both the matters, madam.
Yes.
Item number 15.
May it please your lordship. This is second bail application, lordship. Earlier, your lordship rejected on the ground that case has been committed to the sessions court, lordship. And I filed this bail application on the ground that case has not been committed to the sessions court, lordship. Still in.
Referable to 50.
My lord, I'd like to point out one thing, my lord. This is case is listed along with disposed via earlier disposal case, my lord, 253625, along with the TCR on that case, my lord. So, my lord, TCR is up to my lord September 2025. Only CD part is there because it is not committed. My lord, we are unable to place out, my lord, because my lord, other part not available. My lord. Only all record of that case.
On
This
last
is-
occasion also, your lordship was directed that latest status report may be called, lordship.
That's
Probably
status
that has not. been
not
issued.
available. Status report not available.
Lordship's earlier order is at page 53.
Let us have this on Thursday.
Hmm.
I should remind you. That as per office note, reminder has been issued to the learned CGM Kamrup Metro on 20/04/26 by email. But scanned copy of the case records and status report as called for has not been received by the registry as of 23/04/2026. Full stop CGM Kamrup Metro is directed to ensure that the scanned copy of the TCR and status report is sent to the registry of this court. Positively by 30/04/26. Communicated copy of this order to the learned CGM Kamrup Metro today itself. List again on 30.
Lordship, can it be on 29th or 4th, Lordship? On 30th, I have some personal difficulty. Lord.
It's
29th.
fourth of May.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 16.
Please, Your Lordship, conducting counsel is on leg. Matter may pass over for time being.
CD received.
Sufficient amicus was appointed, my lord.
Seventeen.
He's on leave. My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, the amicus is on leave, my lord. Some other day, my lord.
Name is not shown.
My lord.
17.
Item number 16, my lord.
16.
16. Sixteen or amicus on leave out of the town. বেলেগ এটা তাৰিখ লৈ গ'ল amicus নোহোৱাকে নহ'ব নহয় আহিলে নহ'ব amicus কৰি নাই থোৱা
Yes, sir, that's it.
So can it be tomorrow, my lord?
All right. Learned amicus is on leave today. List the matter again tomorrow.
Seventeen.
May it please your lordship. There was a charge sheeted case, my lord. I have been granted bail, my lord, on 8/4/2026, my lord. Interim bail was there, my lord. I'll face the trial, my lord.
Seventeen, my lord, case diary not received, my lord.
Case there in our charge sheet, sir.
Charge sheet, but LCR maybe, TCR maybe call from.
Correct, it is submitted, that charge sheet has already been submitted by CS number so and so. Call for the scan copy of the TCR. List again on interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
My lord, obliged.
28. 8/5. 21. Item number 21.
CD received.
Case diary not received, my lord.
CD not, none appears, CD not received, list again on
21. 21.
11/5.
23.
Item 21.
None appears to cut it.
Conducting counsel is on leg. Lordship. Matter may pass over for time being.
Yes.
4.
Lordship, we have filed an additional affidavit in this matter bringing on the charge sheet. The same is not on the record. Can I pray that it may be listed anytime this week, day after tomorrow?
It is
On
submitted
20
by learned counsel for the petitioner that the additional affidavit has been filed, but the same has not been brought on record. Hence, registry is directed to place the additional affidavit on record and list the matter again on
29.
29 or 30.
30, we have some difficulty, Lordship.
Secretary.
I'm obliged.
15.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, petitioner was arrested on 5/12/2025, lordship. Today is 144 days, lordship. Vernacular FIR, page number 19, lordship. May I read this? Hanman Pulbok,
Respondent number 2.
Name has been, name shown.
reflected, lordship, Jiten Pine. Yes, is there.
All right.
May I read it also?
CD received.
TC.
Can go. TCR.
Yes. Allegation part was that Lordship সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনি নিবেদন এই যে যোৱাকালি 27/11/2025 তাৰিখে সন্ধিয়া প্ৰায় 7টামান বজাত নিম্নলিখিত আছামীজনে মোৰ ছোৱালী পূজা গৰিয়া 15 years ঘৰৰ ওচৰৰ দোকানৰ পৰা মাটি লৈ বিলাচীপাৰা কৈতাপাৰা ধান খেতি পথাৰত লৈ যায় তাত আছামীজনে মোৰ ছোৱালীৰ লগত শাৰীৰিক সম্পৰ্ক কৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰে এনেতে তিনিজন অচিনাকি ল'ৰা আহে আৰু আছামীজন তাৰ পৰা পলাই যায় সেই ল'ৰা তিনিজনে মোৰ ছোৱালীৰ লগত শাৰীৰিক সম্পৰ্ক কৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰাৰ লগতে মোৰ ছোৱালী
Is there, and Lordship may kindly note the name of the informant, Lordship. Informant, respected sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I respectfully submit the following facts for your kind consideration that on 3/12/2025 at about 7 p.m. the accused unlawfully entered into my residential house when no family members was present at home. Taking advantage of our absence, the accused forcefully committed sexual intercourse rape with my minor daughter, namely so aged about 17 years, against her will and
Allegation against especially one Lordship regarding the stolen mobile Lordship phone. Thereafter, the mother of the petition number 1 also lodged a FIR against the informant regarding the said incident Lordship. Because the petition number 1 has given one mobile phone to the informant for repairing. Thereafter, the said mobile phone was not damaged due to negligence of the as a result, the petition.
Case is registered under which section now?
Registered under section Lordship 305 subsection 1, 329 subsection 3, 329 subsection 4, 296, 351 subsection 2, 3 subsection 5 of BNS Lordship. All are available except 305 Lordship. And
Theft.
they are theft of the dealing house Lordship. Theft in the dealing house or means of transport of place. That is he's not theft. This is not a theft case. He is immediately returned the said mobile Lordship. If you see the page 20 is the cross FIR Lordship. Here why the he take the mobile Lordship. This is clearly stated in the FIR cross FIR Lordship. That is page 20. This is lost by the mother of the present petition number 1 and lost by petition number 4. All are already appeared before the Lordship and record their statement.
Let them appear before the trial court, Lordship. Charge sheet has been filed.
Kindly see page 20 Lordship. Immediately he returned that mobile.
Third,
These numbers.
order dated 19/03/26. Para 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Granted, the additional PP submits that the charge sheet in the case has already been submitted by CS number.
Stroke 2026 dated 31/3/2026.
Para having regard to the fact that the investigation is over and also the nature of the allegations, comma, it is not necessary that the petitioner be taken into custody at this stage. Accordingly, the order prayer for pre-arrest bail is allowed. The order of interim pre-arrest bail dated 19/3/2026 is hereby made absolute
Not obliged.
on the condition that the petitioner shall cooperate with the trial if one commences and shall not try to influence the witnesses in any manner. Petition stands disposed of
Not obliged.
accordingly.
May please, your lordship. Not section 12 POCSO, my lord, entry 50 bail application. FIR, my lord, is at page number 22.
May I read the FIR?
Yes.
সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা ইংৰাজী 1-2-26 তাৰিখে আবেলি প্ৰায় 4টামান বজাত নিম্ন উল্লেখিত পদকীয়াজনে মোৰ ছোৱালীজনীক কোনেও ঘৰত নথকাৰ সুযোগত নিজৰ ঘৰত মাতি নি ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত লৈ বেয়া কাম কৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰে উক্ত
Bail has been granted, Lordship, and the statements are also recorded, Lordship. The petitioner is a central government employee under the Department of Railway, and the FIR is in case number 12. Case number 15, Lordship, FIR. Rail.
I think this is not state, Assam.
Harish Gupta side. Matlab, maybe earlier Harish Gupta, CC appeared, matlab, I'll inform, matlab, maybe taken after some time, matlab.
All right.
Okay.
36.
May please, Your Lordship. There are two petitioners before Your Lordship. Second, here, case is charge sheeted. In fact, summons has been issued. They have received the summons. Your Lordship will.
Matlab, perhaps matlab, in this case, matlab, notice not issued, matlab, only matlab, PCR was called for, matlab.
No, that on the last occasion, if I may explain, at page 22 in Your Lordship will find that though section 6 of POCSO Act is there, but that is in respect of the accused FIR named accused number 1. The petitioners are FIR named accused number 5 and 6. Against them, only 368 is there, and therefore Your Lordship was pleased not to issue any notice.
Where is the FIR?
Page 12 and 13. Lordship. The allegation is against one Bobby Dayal Chauhan.
Good, lal.
The only allegation is that it is learned that the entire family is involved in the same alleged incident.
You are Suratlal Chauhan,
Lordship, is the petitioner.
Dharmendra. So how do you connect to Ramdayal and Sunny Dayal?
Lordship, they are both from the same family.
Family,
Same family.
brothers.
Brothers, Lordship. Petitioner number 2 is not the brother, his father is different, but they are cousin. They are from the same family, same village.
Number 2 is cousin
Yes,
and one is brother
one is the brother.
living under same household.
No, they resides in a different,
Hmm?
they're staying in a different house. They all are married now and they stay separately.
Yes, PP.
I have not. তারে কি সুন্দর নোটিশ করে দিন not বিকল ধরে আছে পারবে
Here says that only charge sheet says that they are always confined to that.
368 on the Lordship. They have already received the summons and they went to the learned court below and they contacted one advocate also. He has sought time for them also. But he did not allow them to appear on the apprehension that if they appear, they will be taken into custody. So there are 12 witnesses also, Lordship. And the trial will also take time.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner and learned additional PP. This is an application under so and so. The gist of the allegations is that the main accused of the case, one Babi Dayal Chauhan, kidnapped the minor daughter of the informant while she was going to school along with her aunt on 12/6/2017. And since then she had gone missing. Full stop. The main accused person along with some other co-accused were arrested. And after completion of investigation, the IO has submitted the charge sheet. The sections invoked against the main accused are under sections 365, 368, 376 within bracket 2, again within bracket Roman 1 IPC, read with section 6 POCSO Act. Whereas the sections invoked against the present petitioners is only under section 368 IPC. Full stop. It is further submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the present petitioners, being brothers and cousins of the father of the main accused, reside in separate households and they had no role in concealing or confining the present the victim of the case. Full stop. Para. Learned edition LPP opposes the prayer for bail. Full stop. Pre-arrest bail. Para. Having regard to the material as against the present petitioners and the fact that the investigation has been completed, it may not be necessary to take the present petitioners into custody at this stage. Accordingly, the prayer for pre-arrest bail is allowed. The petitioner's shall be same 50,000. Consuerities shall not try to influence the witnesses or tamper with the evidence. It is further directed that the petitioner said fully cooperate with the trial if one commences. Petition stands disposed of accordingly.
Very good.
37.
My lord, pre-arrest bail application. My lord, petitioner is a widow, my lord, 46 years old. My allegation under 21B of NDBS Act, my lord. FIR may be seen at page 17. My lord, only 8.1 grams suspected heroin was recovered from her house in presence of another accused, my lord, who was later arrested. My lord, while the recovery was made, she was not present at the home. Now, my lord, after a few days of registering this FIR, her husband died, my lord, leaving behind, my lord, 2 minor child. I have annexed the death certificate, page 22. My lord, apart from the merit of the case, my lord, except me, my lord, none is there, my lord, to look after my minor child. My lord, case diary was called for, my lord, that is perhaps received, my lord.
Malat, yes, CD received, Malat. One co-accused was arrested from the spot, Malat, when search was made. Search was made in the house of the present petitioner. He suddenly fled away, Malat. And from the Malat, position of that person, Malat, from the house of the lady Malat, petitioner, with empty vials and there, Malat, total 8 gram, 12.6
House
gram.
is that of the petitioner.
House of the now.
The
There are
recovery
two-
was made from the person of the other person or the house?
No, no, Malat, he went from the house of the petitioner, it is found. That person was arrested, he went to bring those Malat. And 2 independent Malat witness from the village Malat. They stated that Malat, he is a Malat veteran Malat peddler of Lahorigat area. He has been deteriorating the future of the Malat youth by Malat selling drugs. 2 of the witness Malat of the village Malat give statement as witness Malat. So anticipated bail Malat of such a lady Malat is difficult Malat.
My lord, a widow, my lord, 2 minor child. My lord, at
You will
any
take them with
condition,
you.
at any condition, my lord may impose, my lord, I'll cooperate with the investigation. My lord, otherwise, my lord, my child will suffer, my lord. There is no one to look after them, my lord. Any condition may be imposed, my lord, I'll abide by. But it's a
You can take them
21B,
with you
my
to
lord,
jail.
not a commercial quantity, intermediate quantity, my lord.
Or learned counsel for the petitioner and learned additional PP. This is an application under so and so. Brief facts of the case are that page 26, second para. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is a widow. And after expiry of her husband on 29/1/26, she is the only person looking after her minor children. And there is no other male member in the family to look after them. Para. An earlier bail application on behalf of the present petitioner before the Learned Special Judge Morigam was rejected by order dated 5/3/2026, wherein it was observed upon perusal of the case diary that another case was registered against the present petitioner regarding the same offense, where from presumption can be drawn that the petitioner is a habitual offender. Stop learned, learned additional PP with reference to the CD also submits that the petitioner is a veteran drug peddler of the locality. Stop para. Having considered the above as well as the fact that the contraband heroin, although of intermediate quantity, was recovered from the house of the petitioner. The prayer for pre-arrest bail. This is not a fit case for grant of pre-arrest bail, and accordingly, the prayer stands rejected. Petition stands dismissed.
All right.
I was sorry, my CD not received. With an interim.
CD not received. List again on so and so interim bail passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
15th of May.
List again on. 39.
PCR was
Oh.
called for, my lord, on last occasion.
TCR, no?
As per office note, my lord, TCR yet not received.
TCR not yet
As
received.
per office note, TCR has not been received,
Received.
although notice was issued on 20/04/26. Issue reminder, list again on.
Public.
Supplementary 52.
But case diary was called for. But several occasions, perhaps case diary not received.
They did not received. List again on so and so interim order passed earlier shall continue till next date of list.
But except petitioner number 1, others are on interim.
I said interim order.
Well,
Yes, my lord, fiction, my lord. 15th of May, my lord.
Yes. 53. Number 53.
53 also, my lord, CD not received.
I think
Oh,
TCR.
TCR.
TCR is received, I think.
TCR.
None appears for the petitioner. TCR has been received. List again on. The service on respondent number 2 is also not complete. Await service. List again on. 14/5. 54. Received. 54.
Put an
Last date also none appeared.
my lord,
We'll follow up after some time. 55.
Lordship. Lordship kindly, page number 9, the FIR. Lordship, the FIR was filed by the victim father, Biren Rajbanshi, and I am the
CD
accused.
received.
Sorry?
Did you receive, lordship?
See.
Already search it has been filed also, lordship.
Yes, what are you pointing out to?
Lordship, the accused number 2 was the approver made by the police. I am the accused number 1. I'm still now not arrested, but the victim was arrested in other case. Actually, he was a repeat offender. He used to do.
Oh, victim was a repeat offender.
Yes, and he was arrested in one Baska case also. He's under jail right now. Kindly go to page number 21. On 19/2/2026, the victim was on the para number 10. It is an admitted position that after obtaining the order of interim pre-arrest bail, the petitioner appeared before IO and his statement was also recorded. However, from the material available in the case diary, it is seen that there are sufficient incriminating material in the case diary against the present petitioner. And he is also previously involved in such type of offense.
Your
and
name is
earlier-
Hemandas.
No,
Hemant
the
Das.
victim.
Eh?
I'm reading the order of victim. Biren Rajbangsi's son. Nitul Rajbangsi, the victim. He was later on, his interim was rejected.
Why the victim is apprehending arrest? When like that, sir.
Allegation against you is that you assaulted
Yeah, I assaulted the victim.
by metal object and caused severe injury and also took away 1,50,000. And also attempted to kill. Any medical report is there?
This report we have found that is found to be lordship simple in nature. And so far as lordship allegation of he was-
1,50,000.
He was booked under section 127 subsection 2 and 115 of subsection 2 lordship. It has already filed on that 2 sections lordship. Large during investigation and was soon as absconder.
Charge sheet has been filed under which sections?
27 subsection 2 and 115 subsection 2 of BNS lordship. Those are bailable sections.
Then you appear there.
The trial court option.
Where it is submitted, that charge sheet has already been submitted by its CS number.
By CS number 64/2026.
Under sections
31(3), 2026, under section 127 subsection 2 and 115 subsection 2 of BNS.
it is submitted that both the sections are bailable. Full stop. Hence, this pre-arrest bail application is disposed of with the observation that the petitioner may approach the learned court below with appropriate applications. And in such event, the same shall be disposed of as per law. Petition stands closed accordingly.
Stand back option.
Stand back.
Sorry to make a mention with regard to item number 53, Lordship, I was on legs and Lordship has fixed a date on 14th of May. City is not there. I'm just praying for some early date, Lordship. Co-accused has been granted bail by the trial court, Lordship. So I'm just
Scan copy of TCR was called for.
an early date
11th.
and the first week of May, Lordship, if it is possible. On the last 2 occasions, CD was not there, Lordship.
And any date, any part, as per the convenience of the court lordship.
8th of May.
8th of May.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Orders kita mati dia timing tu আছে নেকি মানুহ?
Please, Lordship. Lordship, we have taken steps through PP. It's a personal matter, Lordship. Number 40.
Any report of service is there?
That is awaited perhaps. Lordship. We kindly fix a date.
Yes.
Insufficient address.
The office note, perhaps.
Yes, that's all. Okay.
Learned additional PP submits that no report of service has been received.
Sure.
Await report of service list again on 17 matters. We have to move forward. This is a matter of 2017.
We'll take care of it, Lordship. Short date may be given.
This again on second week of May date dated.
13 May.
13 May. Obliged, Lordship.
Item 42.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, this criminal appeal under section 10 of POCSO and IPC 354. Lordship, this appeal was heard by His Lordship Justice Rajesh Mujumdar on 26th of February. Then it was listed on 6th of March under delivery of orders, but the orders could not be delivered. Again, it was listed on the 11th of March under order column, delivery of order.
24-3
was listed
is the
again on
matter before the appropriate bench or Mojumdar J. On give a date.
42. Obliged, Lordship.
None appears for the petition.
That's the POCSO case, Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner. Mr. So-and-so appears for the respondent number 2. Please the matter again on. Showing the name of learned counsel for respondent number 2. Laskar.
Tell me. 45.
Yes, state appeal, Mr. Borua.
This case, my lord, service report is awaited, my lord. Notice issued on, my lord, 21/4, my lord.
It appears that notice was issued only on 21/4/26 to the sole respondent and hence await service. List again on.
13 May.
Set of copy, Lordship. Only one copy received, Lordship. Lordship, maybe give direction, give us.
Early item 43 extra copies of the petition be served upon learned counsel for respondent number 2.
Item 47.
It is 45. 45.
May I please your-
Yes, sir. Certain present status of appellant.
We are not being able to connect with him, Lordship. So we humbly pray for some time so that we can establish any kind of contact.
My IMAB allow, my lord. My IMAB allow for, it is for implement of the application.
Implementing whom?
As respondent.
Who?
The one the respondent was the complainant in this case, and he is expired. His son, daughter, and wife come for implementation.
What was the case about?
Yes, my lord. Yusuf Ali is the complainant and respondent in this present revision petition, my lord, is expired.
This is against what issuance of notice? They have come.
No, my lord, they have filed revision
Who filed the
petition.
NI case? You.
I am the complainant.
Yes. No, what is the order, this petition against? Petition is against what order?
What, my lord, it is for impleading.
That is your petition. We are asking about the appeal. This revision petition is against some order passed by the court. Take
Conviction order.
It's a conviction order.
Revision class. Revision petition.
This IA has been preferred seeking impleadment of the applicants who are as follows. Kabir Nessa, Smita Parvin, Saiful Islam, and Sabed Ali. Four of them. Page 2, second course title. Impleadment is being sought as the complainant in the NI case. Yusuf Ali has already expired and the present applicants are his legal heirs. Full stop. The prayer is allowed the applicants be impleaded as respondents number 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the connected criminal revision petition 468 of 2024. Application for amendment of cause title be filed accordingly. I instance disposed of. In the main appeal, you write learned counsel for the petitioner submits that further time is required to seek instructions regarding the status of the present revisionist. Hence list the matter again on that 15 May. I can work 48.
Obliged.
May please your lordship. My lord, this criminal petition has been filed. My lord, challenging the charge sheet submitted by the police, showing him an absconder. And that too in a case, my lord, under section 351, 3 on 127 to 35 PNS, read with section 145 POXO Act. My lord, the
What
relevant
about respondent number 2?
My lord, respondent number 2, my lord.
No steps. As per office note, no steps for issuance of notice on respondent number 2 has been received.
My lord, we will be allowed to take step.
As per office note dated so and so, no steps for office note dated 31/3/26.
My lord, in a short date.
And 23/4/26, no steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 has been received by the registry. Petitioner to take steps accordingly. List again. Mana godly ki hobo steps lo boi pelai.
14 May.
14 May to ahi napabo steps holo. 14 days, last week of May.
28.
My lord,
28.
my lord, today will be too long date. We will take today itself, my lord. 14 May maybe, my lord, kept in.
It's your fault.
My lord, let
You
us
have faced
try.
with 2 occasions to take steps,
My
and
lord.
now you are praying for short date.
My lord, 14, we may be allowed to try on the 14, my lord.
No. Yes.
My lord.
Being attended. 9.
Oh, mati nila.
Yes.
Lordship, I informed the N. Mohajan Lordship. He informed me that he is in Lordship and
Is ill.
in Lordship. And his physical condition is not.
Next week, madam.
Next week, no, Lordship, on fixed on 30 of in this month, Lordship.
Third, learned counsel for the petition and learned additional PP. It is submitted that learned Amicus Curie is unwell today. Also, hence list the matter again on 30th.
Obliged, Lordship.
Time being item 23.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, matter may be passed over for the time being, Lordship.
There is no time to pass over for the time.
Lordship at 2 p.m. Lordship at 2 p.m. No, just once, including this second time. Lordship at 2 p.m. Lordship.
We have also noted the FSL report, madam, the NDPS case, madam.
4th of May.
Time being item
I'm sorry, my lord.
35.
My lord, about item number 43, my lord. We are for the petitioner, my lord. We are for the appellant, my lord. Can it be on 7th, my lord? 12 is too far, my lord.
Item?
Item 43, my lord, from others.
We can't keep going back like that. We forgot
Sorry,
it.
my lord, but my lord.
Sorry.
12,
Yes.
12 is too far, my lord.
35.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of H. Gupta. We are praying for some time.
Prayer is made on behalf of Mr. H. Gupta, learned Central Government Council for further time. But you want to file objection
We require some time, Your Honor.
for, just for adjournment.
Lordship, petitioner is on.
Petitioner is present. List the
That may
matter
be
again on
important.
so and so interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
That may be fixed.
Will be.
Lordship, that may be fixed. 8. 6.
Will be.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 54. Time being. 54.
Receive the case then.
What is the case about?
Getting my lord, one girl, my lord, in her higher secondary examination, my lord, she adopted some unfair means, my lord. Then she was caught by the my lord invigilator, my lord. Then she tried to commit suicide, my lord. Then the my lord, the public, my lord, and the my lord, family members of the victim girl, they have vandalized the school, my lord, and assaulted the my lord teachers. And my lord, petitioner was granted interim, my lord, by the order dated 10/3/2026.
None appears for the petitioner on second call on the previous date also. On the previous date. CDS called for has been received. The petitioner is on interim pre-arrest bail. Hence, list the matter again on 6/5. 5/5. CDB retained till then.